Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode, another video, Nailed It Projects. Today, something get nailed, and the greenhouse. I got the roofing material, finally. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that up. But first, I'm gonna finish the completely, all the way. You can see, got my Sta Green. I'm gonna go to dump, mix, go get fresh dirt, dump again, and add manure on top, and go from there. It's gonna be a lot of movement today, but progress. That's the main thing. Some nice breeze blowing behind me. I need to get me a bench and put down here between these banana trees. And I'm deciding not to, but something's telling me get like 4 more banana trees. Create a little cove I can sit in and chill, hot days. I don't know. Think about it. But yeah. Oh, I gotta show y'all something. I didn't think they were gonna keep going like this, but I'm guessing with what they're sitting in, there's really no choice. It's all pumpkin. What I'm gonna do is start looking for the ones that are vining out and create something off of these trees for them to climb on. Well, these are getting big. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep watering them and see what happens. But anyways, enough talking, let me get to work. All right, my fine folks, try to use my little electric scissors thing, but because of the grooves, hills and valleys on this, corrugation, I'm gonna say, it didn't want to cut like it should. So these shears are going a lot faster. I got the first 3 done. I'm gonna set these in place. What I plan to do is put them on the side so I see exactly where, as I pull them up, they land. Make it a lot easier. I decided to do this first versus the beds because I can use a flashlight or a headlamp while I'm doing that. Don't want to fall off a ladder. So you get these over there, get the other ones, cut them up. So I'm cutting the last one. I already set up 7 of them to make sure we're gonna be good. Coverage. So put these last 3 in place. Then I can get up there and start screwing them in. I don't know if you can hear the water going in the background, but I'm soaking those beds. Since we know the dirt is sharp. The dirt that I have back there that's been composting for so long is dry, extremely dry. That's why I mixed it with the Sta Green. Alright, that's that. So, get these over here, set them up with the others, and Can get on the ladder, get down to business. Unfortunately, I don't have a way to take you guys up top with me. I do have a small camera, but I don't know where the mounts are for it to go on the chest or in the hat. I have the equipment and just don't know where the other parts of it are. I need to look for it. But I'm gonna try and get you guys in a position to where you can actually see me up there, and hopefully you actually get some good footage. All right, that looks like a good vantage point. Let's zoom. Yeah, that'll work. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, almost at the end. Just got to screw down the edges now, and we'll be not total finish. There's 4 screws needed in the ridge. I'm a little bit too heavy to get in there comfortably, so I'm gonna have Jeremiah knock that out with him over here. Now I suppose you guys would like to see what it looks like, right? Should I show y'all? You made it this far in the video, so I might as well. Hold on, let me set this hose. Oh yeah. Finally. This is what I've been trying to do. Soak the crap out of this thing. Let me position it on this one over here. Oh, because this dirt is so dry. So dry. That's why I use the Sta Green. Mix up this manure in here. And this needs another wheelbarrow of dirt. But I'm gonna go and soak it regardless. Make sure the first load I bring in goes to this bed. Yeah. Alright. Let me show y'all what the roof looks like. Here we go. Doubled up on the screws on the edge. Keep the wind from lifting it. Same thing over here. Doubled up. And screw down. As for the ridge, I'm gonna get a gigantic tube of silicone and throw it in there. They don't sell actual ridge cap type of stuff. Or else I would have got it yesterday when I picked up the other panels. But hey, that's on. It is now 4:18. See if I can fill these beds all the way, at least minimum. Let me get busy. Now let's dump these bags out. It's supposed to rain the next 2 days. We'll see. I have a plan for these. As you can see, got 5 bags left, and half a bag will be going into the top boxes. So need to top these off with some more soil. This looks like half a wheelbarrow full, half full, half. So about three trips with a wheelbarrow, and this will be topped off. Then I can put the top sections on, put dirt in those, stay green, then more dirt. If you guys don't understand why I'm doing that, people who have been gardening for a while will, but here's why. Flower and vegetable garden soil plus fertilizer. All right, those are the numbers. And so in-ground gardening. The stuff in here is almost like compost. So it helps to make the soil breathable. And like I said, this sandy soil I have, it's terrible. For this section, yes, this section will be getting planted. I'm gonna till the whole thing and build it up. It won't be raised beds, it'll just be in ground, what have you. All right, I'm gonna bring in at least 4 loads of topsoil for that. So she'll be putting some work in soon. Bring topsoil in after I till it up. Then till a couple more times, then get me another whole load of manure and put that in there, till it up again. So when spring hits, and I'm gonna cover it, when spring hits, we're good to go. All right, another project I have is arch. You see, leaned up against the shed. I have to get one more of these to add to this. where the other 2 boxes are going to be placed for vined fruits. And still got the water catchment system to do, which I don't know when will be coming up. I'm gonna run a couple wheelbarrowfuls, dump it in, see how far I get before it gets dark, and we'll close this video out. Ladies and gentlemen, we're full. We are full to the brim. Let me scoop this back so it don't run on the side. Yeah. Oh, over here too. Trying to raise the edges and corners up so the water doesn't run out the side of it. Need it to be in the middle and soak. That one is going to get some Sta Green to top it off. Same thing here before I plant. So we're all topped off. Waiting for that plant fruit and vegetable juice from above. They said we're supposed to get hit hard on Monday and Tuesday. I am praying to the Almighty we do. He can soak them beds, and I can see how that performs. All right. See how much water collects on that mat, and that way I can go ahead and set up the water catchment on each side of the greenhouse like I plan to, and the shed. That way, my plan is, I hope it works, is to have the feed water come from that supply. The fish fertilizer and root hormone. What I'm going to do is make sure everything's full, calculated as thus, and I got to figure out a system of, do I put it in the last bucket, the first bucket, whatever increment, or do I mix it into a gallon and then divide that gallon amongst each bucket? Yeah, that'd be a better idea. Yeah. So a lot more to come, guys, a lot more. Well, the street light, time to go home. I will surely catch you guys in the next video.